This video tutorial explains how to connect a CINENORM series monitor to a Panasonic BS1H camera via a wired connection. Plug one end of the control cable into the camera's Type-C port and the other end into the monitor's remote port. Next, configure the camera settings. Press Menu to open the menu, select In/Out, and choose PC Tether under USB mode. Then, proceed with the monitor setup. Tap the screen to bring up the menu. Select External Device Connection and choose Wired Camera Control Connection. When the monitor detects the camera and a control panel appears, the connection is successful. Tap Rec to start or stop recording. Tap Iris to adjust the aperture. Tap Shutter to adjust the shutter speed. Tap ISO to adjust the sensitivity. Tap Focus to enable touch focus when in AF mode. Tap SS Gain to switch between shutter speed and ISO value units. Tap WB to change the white balance mode. When WB is set to K, tap CT to adjust the color temperature. When ISO is set to Auto, tap EV to adjust the exposure level. Tap Menu to open or close the camera menu. This concludes the tutorial on connecting a CINENORM series monitor to a Panasonic BS1H camera via a wired connection.